Alright, so the first thing I do when I wake up, obviously, is I take my brush and I brush my hair. This is just a Conair brush that has like the little squishy handle. Then the next thing I do is I go over to my like little cabinet I have, and I'll take you guys over there and show you what it looks like. So let's go over here. This is what this looks like. We have moisturizers, mainly moisturizers, face pads, cleansers, and like a moisturizing spray. And then we got hair care stuff with my Glow Recipe mask. And we have all my masks down here, plus my new stuff from Drunk Elephant and the old Henderson toner. So we need this, so the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance pads. We need that. We also need the Tatcha. And then we need, which one is what? So we need the Drunk Elephant Firma Day Serum. And then we need the Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum as well. This is what I use. It's a cleansing oil by Tatcha. I'm going to use that to wash my face. And hopefully you can see like a little bit of me like just scrubbing it on, because it's really hard to place you guys where how my bathroom is. So. Alright, so now that the sink is warm enough, hopefully you can hear what I'm saying. Now that the sink is warm enough, we're going to use the cleansing oil. You pump about like 5 pumps I do on here, and you literally take it and you rub it on them. And then I just take a towel and I clean my face off while I dry it off. Then I have that done. Now I'm also going to be taking out my Invisalign. I have to throw away my rubber band. I'm going to take that out because I'm going to have to obviously brush my teeth. And the next thing we use is the Facial Radiance pads by First Aid Beauty. So we take those. It's so hard to get one out, especially since I don't have my glasses on. So and we just rub this all over our face and get whatever else we didn't get. And we'll get that done. And then we're gonna brush our teeth and let this dry so we can do our 2 serums. All right, so we're just putting in our rubber band because I cleaned my Invisalign and then also put my trays back in, so I literally just gotta do my rubber band. I have to change that every morning, so it kind of gets a little bit annoying. I hope this is like good. So we're still waiting for my face to dry off a little bit from the First Aid Beauty Radiance pad. So we're gonna go in with the Tatcha Indigo cream. This is literally my lifesaver. I will need to be getting some more soon. I put this on my areas that I have my eczema, and right now my arms. Let me see. So we're just gonna be applying this. So we just took a little bit more than a dime size amount because I have lots of places that need it, and we literally just rub it on. And this is because it's winter time and it breaks out so bad. And I'm hoping that now that that is done, we're gonna close it. And now we get to finally use our serum. So this is the order I go in. You can do an order you want with these. I personally go in first with the Firma Day Serum. This has 15% of ascorbic acid and pumpkin ferment extract. It smells kind of gross, not gonna lie. But you can apply this on your face, face, chest, or back of hands. So I just take this and make sure my hands are dry, and I literally just squirt some on my hand. This is what it looks like. It's like orangey. Whoops. And then I take it and I apply it. And I'm telling you, it smells so bad. Not like bad, but like weird. I'm not like a huge fan of like pumpkin. But like this is like fermented pumpkin, and usually fermented things are a little bit different. So we apply this, and I've honestly been seeing such a huge difference. Comment down below if you guys want me to do a nighttime routine, because I use obviously different stuff than these serums and stuff, because I would sure do that. And then, oh, that just fell. We're going to let this like soak in for like 5 seconds maybe, and then we're gonna put on the Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum, and that's what this looks like. Let's see if it focuses. Sweet. And this has pineapple, ceramide, I don't know if I'm saying that right, and then pro vitamin B5. So this is suggested to apply to face, chest, hands, any place needing increased hydration. Mix with any DE serum, cream, or oil to lock it in. So like I said, I put that Firma on, and then I put the Hydra serum on, and we literally just apply the same exact way. And my face has been staying super hydrated. These bumps that I get over on like my sides of my face are like going away. It's amazing. I think that's also because my toner I've been using, so it's just an overall good skincare. But I don't use the toner in the day. I use it only at night because that's what's suggested for it, since I have super dry skin. So that's what we do. So that is done for the face portion. So now I literally just have to put clothes on and change out of my pajamas, and that's literally all what my morning routine is. Sometimes I'll keep my glasses on, like I'm about to put them back on right now, or sometimes I put my contacts in. I'm not really sure what I'm doing for the day, so that's why I don't know what contacts or glasses I'm wearing. Hope you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are, and I will see you guys in the next video. But before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video, and click that like button if you liked this morning routine. Now comment also down below if you want me to do a night routine, because I use different stuff. I would love to show you guys the stuff I use at night and how I use it. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.